What's up, YouTube? Khalid here. I just wanted to show you some new parts that came in for the car. Well, the ones that just came in is the QA1 single adjustable shocks. This I had for probably like a month or something. There's the bare bump steer kit. It's just pretty much the tie rods, heavy duty tie rod ends. And I got the actual tie rods, but they're just, generic, OEM style tie rods, but just these are, what's it called? And yeah, it doesn't really need them. This doesn't really need the tie rods, but I just, I thought if I'm gonna get the tie rod ends, these ones bare. I also got new tie rods, so that's it. I just haven't installed these because, I gotta take it to the lineman shop afterwards and stuff like that. But anyway, this is the one that just came in right now. I ordered it not too long ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, I think. Like I said, this is the rear shock, QA1 single adjustable shock. Now and I got the front one right here. So I bought the whole kit and they're all single adjustable. Yeah, here goes the front one right here. This is the bottom mounting point and the top obviously. Same one for the back one. And they got, the little rubber mounting washers and nut right here. So as far as installing them, they're pretty straightforward. I'll do a video whenever I get around to it. But now I'm just waiting for I bought a Van Steel 35mm adjustable sway bar, but that just hasn't come in. Maybe the next few days it will show up. And I'm kind of lazy, so I don't feel like installing one part, then putting the wheels back, and then installing another part. So I might just wait for the sway bar to show up so I can install all of it, or I might just do the shocks today, and maybe when the sway bar comes, I'll do the tie rods on the what's it called, the sway bar. But yeah, and the reason I was gonna say, at first I was trying to thinking of getting the dole adjustable. They have the compression and rebound settings separately, so you can tune it, up and down and shit. But the reason why I didn't go with that, it's not really the price wise, because I think they're totally worth it. I think they go for about $1,100, and plus taxes about $1,250, I think. But I didn't go with that because I'm still OCD. I wouldn't be happy at all, trying to figure out what's the right setting for them. And I would just get frustrated, be like, man, do I go more compression, less, and then I have several adjustments. I said, you know what, fuck, I'm gonna get this one single adjustable. Since it's not my daily, I don't really care about the drive quality, ride quality. So I'm just gonna, crank them all the way, make sure they ride like a garbage truck with bricks as wheels. But yeah, so maybe I'll install them, man. These were the whole set, single adjustable 4-shock set for the 90. I believe it's 88. Yeah, I think it's 88 to 96. I don't remember. Yeah, I think it's 88 to 96. Oh, it probably says right here. No, I don't. I think it says it. It doesn't say it. Anyway, yeah, the whole thing, it was $759, I believe. So at the door with taxes and shipping, it was $846, I think, something like that. And I got the receipts and all that for that later on, so maybe we can go do an overview of how much I spent on extra shit for the C4, but brakes, brake lines, and all the extra shit I put in there. Probably about $5,000 to $6,000 by now. And I wish I could be more specific and showing you, how different the ride it is and shit, but I'm not, fuck it, I'll just take my word for it. So that's it for this video. In the next one, I'll be showing you sort of how to install them. I mean, it's probably one of the easiest installs, doing shocks on a C4. There's nothing to it, just pretty much, making sure the washers, the mounting points are right. But the rest is just super simple bolt on like any other car. Surprisingly with the C4, because it's a lot of weird shit on this thing, like the leaf springs. But anyway, that's that. And I'll do the install video later on if I decide to do it today, maybe some other day. All right, peace.